Hello, I'm Tanvir. I wanted to show you 4 things with WooCommerce. Which one is very required for your e-commerce website to increase your sale and get more sale? The fourth thing is this one: how to redirect a to cart button to cart page in e-commerce and skip the another one. Skip the cart page and redirect to checkout page. And third one, how to change add to cart button text in WooCommerce. Create buy now button dynamically after add to cart button. It will be redirect to the checkout page. The first we will check our first thing, how to redirect to add to cart button to cart page. This is my website. I already have login. I will click my home page to check this one. I will remove this one. Okay, I will click here add to cart, then it's not redirecting the cart page. View cart, then it's redirect to cart page. Okay, I remove this one. So first I need to go and to log in my website. Then I will click on WooCommerce and settings. Then need to click product tab. Then I need to check the tick this one. So wait, review again. First I will go WooCommerce, then click on setting, then I will go to product page, then I need to go here. It's easy to think. First here, next here, and there. Okay, I need to save this one. Okay, I will reload to check this one. I will click on product to check. I will click on add to cart button and it's redirect to cart page. It's easy to do. Okay, now I wanted to show you my second thing is skip the cart page and redirect to checkout page. And I will go commerce and settings and advanced. After going to here, before going to here, I will create a page, new page. That name I will write here, checkout page. Please don't use the page checkout and cart page, don't need to use. Just I will create a new page. Okay, my new page name is checkout page, right? Again I will click on checkout. After going to here, I need to copy this checkout pages shortcut. I will paste the shortcode in my new checkout page. This is my new checkout page. Okay, dash name I will keep this one, checkout page new. I will save this one, and again I will reload this one, and this is the new checkout page and those are the default one. Okay, now I will reload my site. Then I will go here, sorry, wait, the checkout. This is my new checkout page. Okay, I will remove the second checkout page, checkout, and this is the new checkout page, right? Those are a same page. Which page? This page, right? Yes. Then what do you need to do? You need first go to commerce, then settings, then advanced, then again need to change this new page. Must be you need to create a new page. I will save this one. I'll reload. My all cart page and checkout page are new checkout page. Okay, remove this one. I'll reload this one. Now I need to click the product page, or you might click here. I will click on product page and add to cart. my add to cart button redirect to checkout page. It's look nice, right? It's easy to change. Again, I wanted to show you how to change the add to cart button text. Okay, need to go my dashboard. Here have my information. Just wait some time. Now you can see how to edit your add to cart text. First, I need to copy this one, the code. First, you need to go appearance and you need to click to theme file editor. After clicking here, if you have an side theme, then you can see like the look. I have created a live side theme, this one. If you don't have an side theme, then you need to click, you can see your main theme, then select this one and you will write here function.php, this one, and you will copy the code without php. I will copy and you will paste here. Okay, this is the first rules. And if you want to use your style theme, then I will select my style theme. Again, I need to click the function.php. This is function.php. Okay, scroll down. I will add the code here. I already have copied the code without the php. Reason of it, we already have a php format here. I will paste the code here. Okay, then what I need to do, it's easy to edit. First you will go appearance, then you will go theme editor, then you need to find out function.php. It can be from your child theme and it can be from your main theme. Then you need to go here to paste your code. I already have pasted my code, and then after doing all, you need to save this one. It's easy. And I will write here as you wish. I have write here at buy now button. You must do anything here. I will update the files and I will reload this one to check. It's already changed. It's working nicely. And I click my home page. You can see here have also changed. All places will be changed. Don't worry about it. It's easy to change. You can do those all function by plugin. But you should use your code. It will be perfect practice. Again, I want to show you the buy now button here to increase your more sale. Some customer want to add some product in add to cart button to your top here, and some customer want to buy quickly. Buy now button, add to cart. Now add to cart. Okay, it's replaced to here. Okay, now I wanted to show you how to create different add to cart. This is my phone. How to create buy now button dynamically after add to cart button. It will be redirect to checkout page. How you will do? Just wait. If you want to create your buy now button with add to cart, when someone click here add to cart button, then all product will be go to cart basket here. And if someone click on buy now button, then they will redirect to cart page to buy quickly. Okay, this is the code. I will copy. It's easy to edit. I will copy the code. Okay, then I will click on appearance and click to theme file editor. Same like add to cart button, and I will find out function.php. Functions.php. If you have main theme, then you can see like them. You need to find out function.php. I will search this one. This is the function.php. Already I have style team for that region. I need to go function.php here, and I will paste. I will copy the code and I will paste here. Okay, and I will save it. Need to reload this one to check this one, right? It's successful update. I'll reload this one. Yeah, it's working nicely. Need to reload. Yes. If someone click to add to cart, then those product will be gone to basket. And if someone click to buy now or quick buy, it's the buy now. I'll rename this one. Reload this one. Quick buy. If someone click quick buy, they will redirect to checkout page. It's awesome, right? I think you can do it nicely, and you can do it by any plugin. If you don't have any experience code, and if you think it's so hard, you can find out a lot of plugin in WordPress.org. I think this is best practice to do it. If you face any problems, just comment me and I will add those code in my face. You will get. Okay, bye, take care.